Welcome to Chengdu. Welcome to Hanyang. We are a company specializing in intelligent automatic welding equipment services. The company is located at Noi Biospace Road, Longtan Industrial Development Zone, Changhua District, Chengdu, China. The production and R&D base covers an area of 26,000 square meters. Our company has a long history. We have almost 160 employees or more, with a technical core staff of 35 people. We have heat pump water heater liner intelligent welding line, heavy truck fuel tank automated production line, post-processor line, new energy battery case production line, medical door panel spot welding line, gray electric water heater production line, passenger car fuel tank welding equipment and production line, automatic spot welding production line for flange press fitting, automobile fuel tank welding equipment and production line, diesel engine after processor welding production line for automobile exhaust muffler system, LNG laser cutting production line, building aluminum formwork welding line, BYD fuel tank production line. The company has received many honors and patent certificates. We also work with a lot of clients. Welcome to come and work with us.